table above shows the population of Greenleaf, Idaho for the years 2000 and 2010. If the relationship between population and year is linear, which of the following functions P models the population of Greenleaf T years after 2000? This question thankfully tells us what concept this is. Remember, every question on the SAT has a concept behind it. And if you've already guessed that the concept is about linear functions, you would be correct. You can actually look at the answers and notice that these are all linear functions. So let's actually try to tackle this. We have an equation in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. How do we know this? Well, the answers kind of guide us as to what we're doing. However, there are these two values, c and d, the last two choices. They appear to be something that looks like the point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. And now we know that we're working towards something that's going to either look like this or look like that. So let's actually try to do this. To write these equations, we have to have the slope. That's why we were given this data, because those are ordered pairs, and we can use those to find the slope. So the first thing is 2000, 862. That's our first point. And our second point, we have 2010, 846. Now, we should label these. Why don't we label these x1, y1, and x2, y2? That's just to help us get organized, because the slope, when you're finding slope, we use this formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Since we have this, all we need to do is plug. We're just going to plug and chug. So let's go ahead and find slope. 846 minus 862 over 2010 minus 2000. Thankfully, the denominator is easy to work out. 2010 take away 2000 is just 10. 846 minus 862 is negative 16. So we then know negative 16 divided by 10 is negative 1.6. So we know the slope is 1.6, which means we can eliminate B and C. Why can we eliminate those? They're showing a slope of 16, whereas our slope is 1.6. So we are left with those two options. Now further, we go ahead and ask ourselves, if you're writing this equation, y equals negative 1.6 t, we need the b value. What is the y-intercept? Where did we start? Now remember, from the question, we know that this data given is showing us the population from the years 2000 to 2010. So the starting point is the year 2000. So what's the y value there? It's 862. So the b value here is, we started at the population of 862, and that's A. Yes, they are written in a different order. So to find the actual answer, we can rearrange these, and it's 862, they wrote the y-intercept first, minus 1.6t. It's just these switched. And that makes A the answer. That's it.